I'm here at Broken Nose Rapid, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do one lap using nothing but crossbows, and then I'm gonna walk back up, and I'm gonna do another lap just doing traditional eddying, and I'm gonna compare them side by side for you guys and let you see, does the crossbow, is it a little faster for eddy catching in and out? So yeah, stay tuned. I think you guys will like this, and we'll see how this one goes. So yeah, let's see how that works. All right, here we go. I hate getting washed down in this. That's that fatigue and coming in too low. All right, guys, that's the crossbow versus normal eddy turns. You guys do the comparison. Leave in the comments below what you think is better. If you think crossbow's better than the normal eddy turns, let me know. I've been experimenting around with both for a while. This is the first time I've done them back to back. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. That's the crossbow versus normal eddy turns. You guys, look, you've seen the comparison here. Tell me what you think looks better. Which one you think is faster or just cleaner. I can definitely tell you which one's more fun. That's for sure. The crossbow's way more fun. The crossbow switch is even more fun.